Hey there. Who is so cute? Who is so very, very cute? Trying to lift her head up and talking to the world? Yeah? What you saying? What you saying? You saying, I will get my head up. I vow this day. Oh, and you will be the cutest one doing it. Absolutely. Yeah? Oh, that's it. Determination. Oh. Woo, there goes this up a little bit. Are we lifting? We lifting and we're down. Can we say hi to Nana? Say hi, Nana. I'm trying to crawl and come see you. Oh, look. Oops. Backing out. Oh, the back end is coming up a little there. Can we see that? Alright, I think it is time for the post-workout snack. Whoa! Say bye, Nana. Love you, Nana. Bye-bye.